CS 8661 Internet Programming Laboratory. Exercise number 5. Write a Java program to create a 3-tier application. See, this is a 3-tier architecture. First, there is a client application and that will send the request to the application server. Here we use a Tomcat server and the database. Here the database we use MS Access. Okay, let's see the explanation. Aim of this program: to write a program in Java to create a 3-tier application using servlets for conducting online examination and displaying the mark list. Okay, this is the algorithm. First we want to create the database. Inside the database we want to make some fields, that is a seat number, name, marks, like that, and create a HTML program. Then you want to connect the servlet, that is server program, with the HTML. Then finally you will get the result. So this is a Java program. Student servlet Java. Class name I have given as a file name. So here we are having the HTTP servlet request, response, and the database connectivity. This is very important. Okay, driver manager, get connections. Okay, all these and all very important for connecting the database with this program. And these are the request parameter, and we are checking the answers here, and finally output. Okay, the next one, HTML program. Here we are creating the screen, that is a form, and by using the radio button we are creating the questions, online questions we have prepared in this HTML program. And this is the output. Let's see the execution. First we need to create the database. Okay, through MS Access I have created this table: seat number, name, and marks. Okay, see, in the e:colon I have placed the database. This is a database AA, and this is a Java file, student.java. Okay, let's execute. After execution the class file will be created. We have created the database. We want to connecting. Okay, for connection click start, type administration tool. This is the administration tool. Here inside that administrative tool click the ODBC, that is a data source. Double click, this window will come. Here you want to already have added this AA. Okay, so first click this database file and click add, and you want to click Microsoft Access Driver .mdb, that extension. See this extension, and then click finish. Okay, then type the data source. The file name is AA. Then select, I have placed in the e:colon. So click e:colon. Here that is AA is present. Here the file wants to be present. Then only it is a correct. Okay. Then click this OK. Then click OK. So already is there. Want to replace? Yes. Okay. So here the file name came. So our database connectivity is correct. Okay. Then let's execute the servlet program. Start, command prompt, cd/, then e:colon. Want to set the path for Java. Set path equal to double quotes my computer, C:, program files, Java, JDK bin. Then copy this path. Then paste it here. Then close the double quotes. Enter. The path is set. Now you want to create the class path for the servlet. Java C hyphen class path double quotes my computer C colon program files Apache Tomcat 7.0 lib file. Here check the servlet hyphen API. This file is present or not. Because by using this file, this jar file only, we are executing the servlet program. Then copy the path, open the command prompt, then paste it /servlet hyphen API dot jar, close the double quotes. Then file name student.java, enter. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. See here, a path is set, so there is no error. See the file, there will be a class file will be created in the E colon. So student.class, this file is created. So right click, copy this file and go to C colon program files Apache Tomcat 7.0 web apps examples web INF classes. Inside this classes you want to place that class file, then only we can execute. Already that file is there, so I replace that. To start the Tomcat server, start Tomcat there the monitor Tomcat, click that, then click yes. So go and see here, right click. So already it started the service. Okay. And next we want to include that web apps, that is Tomcat web apps examples web INF. Here there is a web.xml file. Here you want to include all the servlet names. Already I have include. Our servlet name is student. Okay, this is very important. If you didn't include this file, then you can't execute this web application. Okay, the servlet name, that is a student, and mapping /servlets/student. Okay, this is very much important. Now let's execute the HTML program. I have placed the HTML program inside the web apps example servlets. Okay, here the online. Okay, double click. So seat number, name, you want to click this is online exam, then click submit. So after clicking the submit, you will get this result. Thank you for participating. This is the output. So we have successfully executed the program.